Today we're going to review the Mould Green Hound Buggy and test it in the field. You haven't seen the episode about it on the channel because we bought and assembled it before the channel launched. The set cost around 100 euros and was a real eye-opener for us, revealing the world of building blocks beyond Lego. The set consists of almost 2,000 pieces, and I put it together in about 3 afternoons. As you can see, I didn't use the included stickers. The bricks are compatible with Lego Technic, and the quality of the connections is in no way inferior to Lego. Sometimes the connections were a bit tight, but I think that's a good thing, because the vehicle doesn't fall apart just by looking at it. In addition to the bricks, it includes a remote control, a receiver to control the motors, which has an integrated battery, and 5 motors, 4 drive motors, 1 for each wheel, and 1 servo motor to steer the front wheels. Each wheel has independent suspension. So far, I've mainly tested the car at home, and it's bulletproof. I drove it down a flight of stairs, and the only thing that fell off was the exhaust pipe. Now, let's test it off-road. As you can see, the vehicle handles well on roads, slight hills, and even over rocks. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe and leave a comment about what would you like to see next. Unfortunately, sometimes when faced with a larger rock, it can't move. More torque would be useful here. It has 4 drive motors, 1 for each wheel, but unfortunately, it's also quite heavy. After all, it's a really big car. The battery allows for about 15 to 20 minutes of intense play. After that, the vehicle continues to run, but with significantly less power. In summary, if you like the Lego Technic series, the Mould Green Hound Buggy is a great set to explore what alternative brands have to offer, especially for that price. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next build.